feel so bad for my new subscribers. To my new subscribers that are seeing me like this. To my old subscribers, you know what it means when I come on camera like this. I'm about to get my hair done. Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Pure Person, I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
So hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, going out the show. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, going.
As you read by that title, you already know what we're gonna be doing. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram because this video is gonna be using my Instagram. My Instagram controls my maintenance suite. Get my hair done today at 11 a.m. Y'all chose for me to get a side swoop. My hair is gonna be ginger because of fall, so I'm super excited to get that installed and that stuff. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, my hair is done. Super cute. We got the ginger going on because it's fall. This is my first time ever doing ginger, but y'all get it? Like, this is so cute. Yeah. But what I'm about to do now is go home because this actually, it's 4:04. She started like a little late on my hair because she had other people, but it's okay. And yeah, but I'm about to go home and see what's happening at home, and tomorrow I get my nails done, so I might come back out here. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, so yeah, I'm literally in front of the Quaker Bridge Mall. I didn't even go home. I didn't go home. I was like, okay, let's go to the mall. Let's go to the mall, because where I get my hair done at is like 13 minutes away from the Quaker Bridge Mall. So I was like, let's go to the Quaker Bridge Mall. Let's see what they have. You know, let's do some shopping. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna do some shopping if I see anything. Okay, so y'all, I didn't see anything in there at all. I honestly I know I'm gonna go to the mall tomorrow, but I'm going to the Cherry Hill Mall tomorrow because I want to get something. Actually, I want to get something. It's a crocheted hat. I want to get it because she's supposed to be there tomorrow, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna see if she is there tomorrow, but she posted it and said she was gonna be there, so I want to get a hat that's crocheted. Yeah, but I'm about to head back home. Today is the next day and I am about to head out. It's 10:03 and it's September 20th. This is very cute. I'm like loving my hair. I just got done getting ready. I'm just wearing this shirt, these biker shorts, because it's not all the way fall. Like, I want to pull out all of my fall fits, all the sweaters. I want to pull that all out, but it's not cold outside. It's gonna be 80 degrees. But we got the color going on though. We got the color going on, okay? But yes, my brown bag, my gold jewelry, something cute, something cute. Hey y'all, so I'm back home now. It's 12:37. I did go to the mall, but it was literally no point for me to go to the mall. The girl is not there until tomorrow, and I really want to get a crocheted hat, so I'm gonna go tomorrow. I got some stuff from Marshall's, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. They like 20% off the stuff that I got, so I was like, okay, yeah. So I got these. Also these. Then these, the knees, and they're all underwear. Literally, they're so cute, super cute. Like, look at these are so cute. And then I also got these like Snoopy PJs too. I can't wait to get my nails done because I really want my nails done. But I'm about to just relax. Girl that I'm going to get my nails done, she's like 30 minutes away from where I'm at, so I need to kind of like head out there like at 1 something. But right now I'm just gonna relax. Let's see y'all when I'm at my nail appointment.
How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up. Turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up. Can't cross them. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We spinning it up. If my bitch take me pay for that pussy, I take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches, ain't nothing up, that shit up. It ain't nothing that turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing that turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Perky and Russ. I'm sitting this shit like a total little nigga, so nasty, I never been flush. Nasty. Bulletproof rappers, it came with a kid on it. The switch too light, it kick if you spit on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it.
Yes, like they're so cute. Yes, y'all, guess who just got their nails done? Like, super cutie. Get into the length, get into the shape, get into it. Like, she ate my nails. She bodied on my nails. You didn't think anybody could body on nails? Like, I'm such a girl. Like, yeah. I got my nails done. But no, y'all, I got my nails done. What I'm about to do now is go get my boyfriend because I'm staying over my boyfriend's house tonight. Yeah. I'm sorry, I can't get over my nails. Like, my nails look so good. Like, why do they look so good? Tomorrow, I'm gonna get my toes. Like, I'm gonna get my toes done. I'm gonna get the acrylic taken off my toes, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna see what we're gonna do with my toes for. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my toes, but y'all picked out this set though. Y'all did y'all big one picking out this set. Y'all did y'all big one. Period. All right, y'all. Love y'all. I'll see y'all when I'm with my boyfriend. When I'm at my boyfriend's house, probably. That's when I see y'all. Okay. Hey y'all. So as you can see, your girl is at her boyfriend's house. We got some food. He's in the shower right now. I already got out. I already got my stuff on, my PJs. He's in the shower right now. But your girl got some food. Your girl got her a cheesesteak, and then a cheesesteak from Tony Soprano's. And then for my side, I got mac and cheese from Sobo. My boyfriend, he got the mixed dinner from Sobo. And yeah, he got the chicken mixed dinner. So it comes with chicken, rice and gravy, and mac and cheese. Y'all know I'm gonna eat some of his too. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my boyfriend so we can munch on this food, cause I'm hungry. But yeah, that's what's going on. I got my cute little PJs on and it's just sitting here waiting for him. Yeah. Hey y'all. Hey, today is the next day and it's September 21st and it's currently 11:08 right now. I'm about to go get my toes done. I'm just gonna get them white. Acrylic toes is over because this is my first time ever even trying acrylic toes, and I only did it for the summertime, but since it's about to get cold outside, you know, and I have to wear like sneakers, no, closed toe shoes, I am just gonna go back to white toes. And yeah, but I tried to bump my ends, but they fell down, they fell out, because I got done getting ready at 9, because I woke up early to start getting ready. And when I got done getting ready, I was just there laying, chilling with my boyfriend. He's still asleep, but yeah, and they all like dropped and stuff. So yeah, my outfit is really nothing. It's just this crop top, these jeans, and I got my brown Coach bag. It's really nothing. And then just the earrings. This lighting keeps going in and out, and I don't really like that. My toes came out so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Like, oh, why is the camera not focused? I'm back to a white girly for my toes. Super cute. I like how they cut them and made them look so like eatable. Like, what? Look at them. Look, they're so cute. But yeah, I like how they made it look so good. Okay. Yeah, but I'm about to head to the mall now, and then I'm going to my boyfriend's house, because I don't even want to be outside today, y'all. I don't even want to be outside today. Like, I don't want to, yeah. So let me go to the mall. I actually text the girl and that stuff, like for the hats. My car, I need gas. I need to put gas in my car too. I don't even want to stop at the gas station. Like, oh my gosh, I just want to go to my boyfriend's house and just relax, eat, and just relax with my boo. That's it, y'all. Like, like it's that type of day. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Someone's like staring dead at me. Look at my PJs. Super cute. See, my toes are done cute. Like yummy. Like they did so good on my toes. Like, look at them. My PJs look so cute. Now look at that. Yeah, no, I wanted to be at my boyfriend's house to relax with my boyfriend, and we got Jamaican food too, so I can't wait till we eat the Jamaican food. We're about to watch, I don't know what we're about to watch, but we're about to watch a movie.
Halloween Town.
We're about to watch Halloween Town now. Hey y'all, so I didn't even show y'all the hats that I got from the mall. Let me show y'all the hats. It's crocheted. Let me try it on for y'all. This is the first one. It's super cute. Super cute. Okay. And then the other one is, hold on. This is like the other one. Yeah, this is the other one. Today's Monday. I just got back home from work. I'm kind of like tired and I'm drained. So yeah, but that's the end of this video, this vlog of y'all controlling like my maintenance and that stuff. I really hope y'all enjoyed, and if y'all did, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and have your post notifications on, and I see you in the next YouTube video.